Morning, magandang umaga po. We're at Chania Crete, Greece. This is the new port. The old port, this is where the attraction is at the old port of the old city. And I'm gonna pan it. This is an industrial center, I think. So you can see, people are going to the old port. This is the port terminal. We actually bought a Princess Shuttle bus.
That's Chania?
Chania. Ganda nito. Princess Shuttle bus.
Shuttle bus at the line here on your left.
Bus. It's about $10 back and forth. A little bit expensive.
Yes, actually.
Both sides. Go to the other side. Hi.
Hello.
What's here? Chair. Okay, go up here. Yes. Anya. And you are here. Go up there. And let you enjoy the sights and sounds here.
What's that?
Have nice flowers. Like a nice big wall here. Lines of shops everywhere. A lot of shopping stores. The main center. This fountain here. All the way to the back, you can see like and there's a guy playing here with good music. Very nice harbor. Picturesque. You can see it's lined up beautifully. lighthouse. Look at the boat with the lighthouse. Nice here. You can see. Nice view. Nice view of the harbor. Really nice. Here's the lighthouse. And they're playing violin. Right here, we could take a picture. Another picturesque area.
Thank you so much.
We are at the Furkas Venetian Port.
Wish that rapper side for me.
Burger, that's cheaper. That's the best part. You get a burger, that's cheese. No, you get a burger, that's cheese.
Nice tower. Nice entrance. Ang ganda dito. It's really cool. Ano? It's so cool here. Look at this, guys. That's the lighthouse. Yun dun sa likod, lighthouse. Lighthouse, oh. And I'm gonna pan it and let you see we are at the top of this tower. Look at the view po. Ganda ng view. Ganda. Go here. Merong cruise ship. Cruise ship here. A lady doing drums at the bottom. This is the tower. This is the port. Now we are going to the Maritime Museum, recommended in the Google list. So this is the fort?
The whole thing is the fort.
Huh?
The whole thing.
Oh, this is the whole thing?
We're inside. See the top left? That's where we are.
Oh.
The whole city is surrounded by wall and bulwarks.
So the whole city is
Fortified.
fortified.
What are those diggers called?
I think it's just those roads.
No.
Oh, the ones outside?
So the whole city of Chania is fortified by walls. Alright.
Airnames. Yosef and Pastor.
Look at that.
Churches.
Nice painting. Ceiling here. General MacArthur? General MacArthur? I don't think so. We're gonna go into the boat. Going into the boat. The main deck of the ship. This is the main area of the. This is the main area of the submarine. Yeah, this is the main area of the submarine. Yeah, because you have the periscope, compass right here, compass there, and this is the main. That's interesting. Actually, building the ships from here. Look at these guys. It's a beautiful view here of the place. Now we're walking just on the alleyways of this place. Very tight corners. Where did they go? Right there. Different languages. Different houses, different colors, different color windows. Some green, some blue, some white houses, some old houses, white house, yellow house, red house, pink house. Everything is different.
Oh, look at this house.
And then the roads, different pavements. And then there's a big.
Who lives in the White House?
Who lives in the White House? Who lives? My house is just the pink house on the left. Okay. We don't know where we're going, but we are going.
How? No. No one does.
So we're just going. Oh! What? What magnet?
It's made of rocks.
You have rocks from.
Yeah. Made of rocks magnet.
But I'm pretty sure there's some more over here. Josh, come on.
You won't have those ones.
There's some more there.
You have to go down this steps. Trying to get a gelato. Beautiful bougainvilleas. Some ceramics. Cup. Very interesting. Oh, Disney World. What's this? What is this? Huh? I know. We're underground. It's interesting. The tomb. The pieces over here. And they have good stuff also. They have nice pottery. Nice. This is really colorful. They have like yeah. Gelato place is recommended by the guy in the Maritime Museum. So that's something.
Try it.
Right.
Yes, try it.
Gelato. I'm getting the espresso mocha. Alright. We are here at the
Mommy. Oh,
gyro place,
game that we agreed
and we're gonna try gyro here. And this is
I
what
think
this
something
place
wrong.
is called.
How about this? Sometimes when I stretch it, it's like up here.
It's
How about this? Thomas.
sandwich, chicken.
How like that?
How it looks like.
In America, you pronounce it as gyro. Here it's gyro.
Guys, what we're gonna
Oh
try.
my gosh.
What?
I didn't take a picture.
What's with the nose? Just tell me how it tastes like.
Hot.
How is it? How is it?
That's a nice flavor to the. That's a nice flavor to the.
I can eat about 5 of these back to back.
And the French fries.
Rate this 1 to 10.
A lot of times when you put French fries in like a
I think that's
sandwich,
my favorite food.
it doesn't really like do anything. When you taste it in a gyro, it tastes really good.
It's actually
For
good.
judge.
Yeah, famous here for the leather. So leather, all leather. A lot of leather options. Leather bags.